Today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter 3 of History Nationalism in India. So before we start the chapter, let's first discuss what actually nationalism is with respect to Indian touch. So, nationalism with respect to India is a concept during the Indian independence movement fought against the British rule or British Raj. So, in this chapter, we will get to know the story from the 1920s and study about the non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement. So these two movement, that is non-cooperation and civil disobedience movement, is very important with respective to your CBSE board examination. Most of the questions come from this section. So these two movements are very important. And in this chapter, we will also get to explore how Congress sought to develop the national movement, how different political or social groups participated in the movement. Even the students and local citizens and women also participated in the different movements. And how nationalism captured the imagination of people. So if we are independent today, it's all because of our leaders, the normal citizens of our India who were present during that time, and the women's and the students. So their contribution are there so that we can get freedom from the British rule, and because of them we are living freely today. Because if they had not taken any step against the British rule, still the British Raj would have ruled us till now, and we would have under them. So it is all because of them, and we are very grateful to them because they had taken this initiative. So in this chapter we will learn every you can say struggle against the British rule in detail.